Hello, guys. This is episode 2 of Programming for Dummies Python playlist. In this channel, we make programming easy, and today we will learn about the data types in Python. In Python, there are many data types. The four main data types are strings, integer, float, and Boolean. There are more data types, but for now, we only need to know the four main data types. A string is a piece of text or a string or characters in Python. It is written using a pair of quotation marks. You write your text in a pair of quotes and you have a string. And we can print this string on our console, assign it to a variable, or do whatever we want with it. An integer is a number without any decimals in Python. Remember, it is a whole number without any decimals. A float is the opposite of an integer. It is a number with a decimal. The difference between integers and floats is that integers are whole numbers, while floats are numbers with decimals. They are not the same. And last but not least, we have Booleans. A Boolean is simply a true or false statement. We can use it to store a true or false value. Try this. After writing your print statement, write type, all lowercase, followed by a set of parentheses without any spaces. Then put your object inside the parentheses. After running this, we can see the data type of the object on the console. So how is any of this useful? Strings are useful because they allow us to write texts and messages to users. Without strings, normal users wouldn't be able to interact with the computer. Integer and float data types are cool because we can do math with them. They fall under the numeric data type, and math is the main thing that sets them apart from other non-numerical data types. And lastly, Booleans are very useful because they let us store true or false values, which is extremely important when dealing with if statements, loops, and other things. We will learn about them in future videos, God willing. For now, think of Booleans as a true or false statement. What are some mistakes beginners make? The first mistake beginners make is to not surround their strings with quotation marks. This is incorrect and will display errors in the console. The mistake is to do the exact opposite and surround numbers and Booleans with quotation marks. This will turn them into a string and render them useless. You will be able to do everything a string can, but you can't do math or check for true or false values. Adding two strings together will not give you the sum of the numbers. It will give you a bigger string with the two strings combined. For now, just remember that a string is a piece of text and is surrounded by quotation marks. An integer is a whole number without any decimals. We can use it to do math. A float is a number with a decimal. We can also use it to do math. A Boolean is a true or false statement which is used in if statements, loops, and for other things. We will learn about them in upcoming videos, God willing. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help out the channel.